My name is Umer Karamat and Alhamdulillah I scored first position in Lahore Board ICS group. I am from KIPS Mughalpura campus, Lahore. As far as my family background is concerned, my father is a lecturer and my mother is a housewife. And my two siblings are doctors and one of my older brothers is training as a second lieutenant in PMA. They were my motivation and they played a key role in my success. Especially I have to mention my brother here. And for future goals, now I am currently studying in FAST and doing my bachelor's in computer sciences. And I am aiming to become a good software developer and programmer. And I must say that one should set up his goal and then work hard for it consistently, because life without aim is just useless.
You must be a good student at your college. Why did you opt KIPS evening coaching?
I opted KIPS because it provided me with a conducive learning environment and a healthy competition. And it was according to my flexible timing, so I have chosen it.
What specific advantages did you receive at KIPS evening coaching, which helped you achieve this great victory?
ऐसे तो मेरे ख्याल से बहुत ज़्यादा एडवांटेजेस हैं, बट जो मेन 3 एडवांटेजेस हैं वो ये हैं: द वास्ट एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ टीचर्स, द रेगुलर टेस्ट प्रैक्टिसेस एंड द स्टडी मटेरियल दे प्रोवाइडेड. They were the best 3 advantages for me.
Is brilliance natural or is it acquired? How did KIPS evening coaching help you become brilliant?
Brilliance is a combination of natural talent acquired with skills. So KIPS provided me with the depth understanding of the things. That's why I must say that they helped me a lot.
Who is your favorite scientist and why?
My favorite scientist is Isaac Newton because of his groundbreaking theories and contribution to the fields of physics. Especially his 3 laws almost covers half of the natural happenings.
Would you agree that KIPS evening coaching helped you to achieve conceptual clarity rather than rote learning?
Yes, absolutely. KIPS focus on developing the depth understanding of the things.
Would you recommend KIPS evening coaching to any of your siblings or friends? And what 3 benefits will you share with them to join?
जी श्योरली मैं बिल्कुल अपनी फैमिली एंड फ्रेंड्स को KIPS से रिकमेंड करूँगा, बिकॉज जो मैंने वहाँ पर 3 मेन बेनिफिट्स देखे हैं वो यही हैं कि वहाँ की एक्सीलेंट फैकल्टी और काउंसलिंग और उनकी जो मैनेजमेंट है वो बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग है.
What were the difficulties and issues you faced during your preparation with KIPS? Any suggestions for making things even better?
Yes, one factor that I must have to mention is that KIPS should arrange co-curricular activities like having debates and talk shows and group discussions for the betterment of the character development and the overall grooming of the students.
How did KIPS evening coaching help you to convert your weaknesses into strengths and enhance your potential to score higher in board exams?
Yes, absolutely. KIPS helped a lot in identifying my weaknesses like time management issues. They arrange regular test practices for that, which helped a lot to improve my time management skills.
KIPS publications provide supplementary study material. How beneficial you found the notes series, the objective series, and other supplementary study material in your preparations?
The supplementary study material provided by the KIPS was very beneficial. I personally used them and found them very helpful. That helped a lot to improve my overall efficiency and skills.
Which of the following factors played the vital role in your success and why? System itself, experience, innovations, student care.
जहाँ तक मेरा ख्याल है इन तमाम फैक्टर्स की अपनी अपनी इम्पोर्टेंस है, बट जो मेन फैक्टर मैं कहना चाहूँगा वो सिस्टम इटसेल्फ है, वो बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रक्चर्ड है और जो इनोवेशन है टीचिंग मेथोडोलॉजीज़ में वो बहुत एक्सेप्शनल है और इन्होंने बहुत हेल्प किया मुझे मेरे गोल अचीव करने में।
How revision and test session in particular helped you to maximize your potential and further strengthening your preparation to achieve best results?
Revision was a crucial part of my preparation, and for that KIPS arranged a regular test session that helped a lot to improve my overall preparation before the final exams.
How was your experience with KIPS online study system?
My experience with KIPS online system was great. It provided easy access with the online reference materials and the practice tests. And one factor that I must have to mention is that their leading board of the portal is just incredible. That keeps you aware of the overall competition and that keeps you alive in the game.
KIPS Evening Coaching. Journey to Brilliance begins here.